Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In this class, we'll be discussing about border width. So border width and the border width property specify the width of the four borders. Now the width can be set as a specific size. Now we can set it in any size we prefer. You understand? So it can be in point, it can be in whatsoever dimension we want to, or we can use one of the three predefined value: the thin, the medium, or the thick value of it. So now let me show you the thin medium. For example, let me show you the thin medium of our border width, the thin medium. So let me say the thick guy, the thick guy. Then I have it here. So let me see if I don't have another. Okay. So let me just use it direct, the P, which is the border. I mean to say the P, so the squigglies. So now let me say border style. Now border style, let me make it solid. Solid. Now you see the solid has appeared on it. So now let me say border width. Border width. Now I have the width, which will be, let me make it 10 pixels so that you can see it very well. 10 pixels. Now you see the thickness of our border. You see how thick it is. So it depends on you. You can reduce this to 5. Now you see the thickness. You can make it 15. Now you can see the significance, the changes in the border's width. So now, so let me quickly make another style. So let me change the pattern of the style to, let me make it, okay, let me still make it solid. Then let me make the width to be medium. Now you see the size, the thickness of the border width has changed. So now let me change the border pattern to another one. So let me make use of the dotted. Now you see we have the dotted. So now let me make the width to be, let me say 5 pixels. 5 pixels. Now you see how thick it is. You see how bold it is. And besides, you can even still make use of the medium. The medium. Now you see how the medium is. You understand? So you can decide to change the size. If I can make it 15, let me say 15 pixels so that you can see it very well. Now you see the size, the thickness of the width of the border. So now let me change the width to another to the thick. So you can see it. Let me make it thick. Now you see. So now this is how we can make use of our border width. These are the predefined dimension we have in the CSS property. So in our next class, I'm going to show you how to specify the side of each width that you'll be making use of. So thank you for watching my tutorial.